विभं विश्वनाथं प्रभुं जगन्नाथनाथं सदानन्दभाजं भवद्भगभूतेश्वरं भूतनाथम्.
Hi friends, this is NJ, host on this channel. So we will continue our discussion around the different life path numbers. The life path number which we are going to discuss in this video is the life path number 4. And we will have our discussion on the same parameters which we have been following throughout in this series. First, we will try to understand how to calculate the life path number in a prescribed correct way. Then we will take the positive and the negative side of the life path number 4, because the whole objective of doing this series is that your struggle, your central and the main concerns of your life will be in one way or another way will be revolving around the main theme of your life path number only. Many people who remain very much inclined towards getting the purpose of their life. When it comes to astrology, when it comes to palmistry, the whole process remains very intricate, very detail oriented. But when it comes to the science of numerology, just because your life path number is derived from a number which cannot be changed, which is fixed, which is immovable. So just by doing a simple calculation, you will be able to get to know that why certain events are happening in your life and what the universe wants you to do, how the universe wants you to behave, how you can make a harmony in your life. And in the last, I will explain some case studies with you, where I will explain you the life path numbers of your favorite celebrities, and we will see the sync, the influence of the life path number in the form of their chosen vocation, their talents, their public image and their success. So the first thing of our this series in all the videos is that we will first understand how to calculate the life path number in a correct way. So as you can see in your screen, this reference example where the person who was born on 15th December 1984. How can we calculate this person's life path number? So that's very simple. The right approach of going ahead is that you need to first reduce the date of birth to a single digit. As the person was born on 15th, so adding the two digits 1 plus 5 is going to give you the answer as 6. Now we will go to the month. You have to reduce the month of birth to a single digit. December is the calendar month 12th. Now reducing the 12th to a single digit, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So we have reduced the calendar month to a single digit. And the last is reducing the year of birth to a single digit. So 1984, 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 4 is going to give you the answer as 22. Now 22 is the master number, 11 and the 22 are the two numbers to which we never reduce to a single digit. So adding the three resultant single digits like 6 plus 3 plus 22 is going to give us the answer in the form of the 31. Now you have to reduce it to a single digit. 3 plus 1 is going to give us our answer in the form of the life path number 4. So someone who was born on 15th December 1984 has the life path number as the 4. This method is correct and you need to follow this only, because if you will be following some wrong method, that might be giving you the answer as a life path number 4 only. But later on when you get into the core depth of the numerology, then you will find problem. So now comes the question of understanding the positive and the negative side of these people. What these people are destined to do in this lifetime, what the universe wants them to behave, how to behave. So we have already discussed the vibrations of the number 4. Number 4 is a number which is being ruled by the Uranus, which is a number ruled by the Rahu. And this number's vibration is all about the hard work, about the too much fine intricate details, good execution quality. So these all would remain to be the central area of these people's life. The universe wants you to remain very hardworking, remain very organized, remain very planned, seeker of knowledge. So you will not find someone who will be strongly under the influence and someone who will be having a life path number 4 to be very messy in his life, putting his and keeping his home in a very shabby way, keeping his wardrobe, his workstation in a very disorganized way. So if these are the things which you are doing, so it means you are going against the destined path of yours. This way you are not going to get the contentment, the happiness in your life. And when we move away from our destined path, the all what we get is in the form of the dissatisfaction, despair, ill health. So these are the things which you need to imbibe and inculcate in your life, the path towards success in your life is all with the hard work, with good organizational skills, and doing and going a step by step way. You cannot just expect overnight fortune coming your way. That could be the case with other life path numbers. With you, the universe has set a path of taking a step by step approach, an approach and attitude of hard work. When it comes to these the blockage, the obstacles which these people face many times in their life, is that first of all, there has been seen that these people tend to get too much overwhelmed by taking too much of the responsibilities, being bogged down by too much of the routine and timetable. And it has been generally seen in the research that these kind of life path 4 number people, they have some kind of suppressed and emotional baggage. Like the way I always say, understanding your life's purpose is just going to give you this hint that first of all, from the material perspective, that what duties you need to perform in this lifetime. And from the spiritual perspective, it has been believed that the soul incarnates in order to learn the true lesson of the life, in order to move towards the higher consciousness. Once you have learned that lesson, once you have followed that path, you have merged with the higher consciousness, no wishes left, then there is no further birth which takes place. Because in our Hinduism, it has been believed that after taking birth in 84 lakhs in different species, you get the human birth. So this is the kind of significance which has been attached to the human birth, where you need to strive towards the ultimate liberation. So when you have, when you are born and when your life path number is some kind of karmic number, then this also gives you this hint that there are certain responsibilities which you did not paid in your past lives, which you need to abide by in this lifetime. So like the way I was telling you, so when I say that with the life path number 4, so there remains to be suppressed emotional baggage. So I mean to say that it has been seen that many times these people tend to have issues in childhood. Now this could be the complete abandonment of the parents, abusive parents, addiction of the parents, or this could be in a way that the person has got bullied by the siblings, or person has been bullied by his at his school. So all these things which has created long lasting impression in your mind. So you need to work in this lifetime in all those things. Apart from that, other flaw side or the hurdles which these people face is in the form of the little bit of the stubbornness, little bit of the inflexibility, not learning from the mistakes. So these are the few things which you need to work on, which the universe wants you to learn and work and abide by. The ultimately, in one single line, the only thing which can be said is that you, with a life path number 4, the path towards success is with the hard work, with a persistence approach, and the going by the prescribed norm, not rebelling from it. When it comes to taking up the case of the real life celebrities, where we can find a sync of the life path number 4. So let's first take the case of none other than the richest man of the world, which is the Bill Gates. So we know the Bill Gates as the American business magnate, investor, author, philanthropist. So we'll begin our discussion first with understanding how to calculate the life path number. So the person was born on 28th October 1955. Approach is very simple. You need to break down the date of birth to a single digit. 2 plus 8 is equal to give you 10. Reducing it to a single digit, you will get the answer as 1. Month, the calendar month is October, which is 10. 10 can be broken down as 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Year of birth can be calculated as 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 5 is going to give you 20, which can be reduced to a 2. So the life path number of the Bill Gates is 1 plus 1 plus 2, which is going to give us the 4 as the life path number. Now, as we all people know that, the path of success, whenever it comes to seeing the success of people, the only thing which comes to our mind is that, the person is rich, the person is wealthy. We do not take into consideration how much hard work has gone into it, how much discipline has got into it, how much sleepless night that person has endured in order to reach that position, in order to reach that throne. So that all things can be easily seen in the life of the Bill Gates. So not only, he founded Microsoft in 1975 with his partner Paul Allen. He has remained on the top seats of Microsoft, and the best part is that even when he has, he's not that actively involved, not playing that big role that he earlier used to play. But in one way or other way, now he is associated himself, and he is associating himself with all the philanthropic causes by establishing the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. So this whole energy of the life path number 4 can be easily seen in the case and in the life of the Bill Gates. One thing which you guys need to understand is that with yours life path number being a 4, you might have to go through a slow way, a hard-working way, a step-by-step way, but once you'll get the success, it will be humongous, it will be very big. So this was the case with the Bill Gates. Now let's take the another case. Now the another life path number, for example, could be studied in the form of the Oprah Winfrey. She was born on 29th January 1954. Life path number can be calculated as reducing the date of birth first to a single digit is 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Now 11 is the master number. We will keep it intact. We will not further add it. The month of birth is January, so it's 1. The year of birth is 1954. 1 plus 9 plus 5 plus 4 is equivalent to 19. Reducing it to a single digit, 1 plus 9 equals to 10, which will lead the final answer as 1. Now, life path number can be calculated as 11 plus 1 equivalent to 13. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. So, she also has a life path number 4. And we know her as a talk show host, actress, producer and philanthropist. But I don't know how many of you know about this fact that she, even her way towards success, has gone through all kind of and has seen all kind of ups and downs. We only know her as the host of the Oprah Winfrey Show. But I don't know how many of you would be knowing this fact that she has gone through all kind of poverty, all kind of molestation. She got pregnant at the age of 14. And even her son died in infancy. So she has gone through all kind of struggle, all kind of ups and downs, all kind of upheavals. So like the way I was already explaining you, that these people have some kind of emotional baggage, some kind of intensity which they have gone at the childhood. But that did not created any obstacle towards her path of success, and we all know now where she is. So Oprah Winfrey can also be seen as one of the real life example of the life path number 4. And the last case study of a celebrity is of Arnold Schwarzenegger. As you can see in the chart that he is also a life path number 4. He was born on 30th July 1947. Life path number can be easily calculated as reducing the date of birth as a single digit as 3. The calendar month was 7 and his year of birth was 1947. 1 plus 9 plus 4 plus 7 is adding the 2 plus 1 is going to give 3 as the final reduced year of birth. Adding all the 3 entities, 3 plus 7 plus 3 is going to give us 13, and adding these 2 digits you will get the 4 as the final life path number. And we know Arnold as an actor, as a politician, as a former pro bodybuilder, author, activist. But the main thing which you need to study in the life of the Arnold is that he is seen as the bodybuilding's biggest icon. He, got into bodybuilding at a very young age. Best part is that, when it comes to the bodybuilding, you need to abide by a strong weight training, you need to abide by a strong discipline. And that was something which was inculcated in him right from a very young age. He began weight training at the age of 15. He won the Mr. Universe title at the age of 20 and went on to win the Mr. Olympia contest 7 times. So we can easily and fairly see that if you are in sync with the vibrations, with the theme of your life path number, then you are not going to face any obstacles. The hurdles will be reduced and your path towards success will be ensured. So this is all what I wanted to say as my take on the life path number 4. I hope you guys found this video informational. For further more updates and notification on numerology, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.
Shivoham Shivoham